a new technology we have in the office. It's called photobiomodulation therapy. I know, it's a mouthful. This is Brian with Life Balance Medical. This is a new and amazing technology we have in the office. We use this to reduce pain quickly in patients. The technical version of what it does is we use calibrated infrared light waves to stimulate cell regeneration and enhance tissue repair. I know, right? The non-technical version is that we use light to help make the pain go away. Check this out. Let's say that you have been dealing with shoulder pain, frequently called or diagnosed as frozen shoulder. This is what it looks like when you're getting treated with the shoulder.
Range of motion that makes it feel
Now
worse.
this
Go
is
as
the
far
range
as
of
you can
motion
before you say
before the
that's too far,
treatment.
and then give me that number.
I'm starting to pull there.
Okay, keep going
That's
if you can.
probably-
That's as far as you can go. All right, what's that number?
It's probably about a 6.
Okay, go ahead.
And this is the range of motion after the treatment. I mean, this really speaks for itself. Give us a call if you want to learn more. 815-389-7911.